Understanding clearance event in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase clearance event. This is a term you might come across in various contexts, especially related to shopping or customs procedures. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it correctly. The phrase clearance event can be understood in two primary contexts: shopping and shipping. In shopping, in the realm of shopping, a clearance event refers to a sale where items are offered at significantly reduced prices to clear out inventory. This is usually done to make room for new stock. Products in a clearance event are often the last of their kind, last season's models, or items that are overstocked. In shipping, in the context of shipping, especially international shipping, clearance event indicates a step in the customs process. It means that the shipped package is undergoing a process where customs officials are reviewing it and determining whether it should be allowed to enter the country, if taxes are due, or if it contains any prohibited items. Clearance events in shopping are important for both retailers and consumers. Retailers can free up storage space and capitalize on the remaining stock, while consumers get to purchase items at lower prices. For shipping, a clearance event is a crucial phase. It ensures that all goods entering a country comply with that country's regulations. It's important for receivers to be aware that their package is at this stage, as it might require additional information or payments to be released. In shopping, when you encounter a clearance event, in a shopping context, it's an opportunity to save money. Check the quality, make sure the items are in good condition. Be quick. Remember, these items are often limited in stock. Know the return policy. Clearance items may have different return policies. In shipping, if you receive a notification about a clearance event for your package, be patient. The process can take time, depending on the country and the item. Be prepared. You might need to provide additional information or make a payment. Track the package. Keep an eye on the tracking information for updates. Today, we've learned about the phrase clearance event and its significance in both shopping and shipping contexts. Whether you're hunting for bargains or awaiting an international package, understanding this term can help you navigate the situation more effectively. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy shopping and safe shipping!